Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Let's examine how to create text in your web pages using Dreamweaver. In many ways, entering text into a web page is much like entering text into a document using standard word processing software. However, there are important differences. You can easily type text into a web page by simply clicking into the page and typing your text. The text will then appear next to the thin, blinking cursor within the web page, just as if you were typing into a word processing application. You can use the backspace and delete keys on your keyboard to edit and remove text, just as you would expect. However, note that some keyboard keys do not function within Dreamweaver. For example, when you press the Tab key on your keyboard, which normally indents the first line of a paragraph, nothing will happen to your text. So, while there may be a great deal of similarity into the way that you enter text, there are also some differences in what you can and cannot do to text within a web page. For example, let's look at how to format the size of text within Dreamweaver. When we use word processing applications, we get used to thinking in terms of point sizes when we think of fonts. In Dreamweaver, however, your thinking must shift. People who view your website will be doing so from different types of devices, like laptops, smartphones, and even televisions. Those devices will be using a variety of web browsing programs which have different settings. So you cannot, for example, ensure that the heading of your page is a 16-point font. The best you can do is to ensure that the headline will be proportionately larger than the text below it using heading levels. That way, even though your heading text might appear larger on a laptop than it would be on a handheld device, your heading will be proportionately larger than the rest of the text on both screens.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.